You are going to love the 2018 XC90. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, touring suspension, headlight cleaners, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, multifunction display, child safety locks, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.